Hello and welcome to IELTS Reading Part 3. I hope Part 1 and Part 2 were useful for you. So let's begin without wasting any time. So here is your first word, prevalent. Prevalent means when a particular thing is common at a particular time. That sometimes you can see that this fashion is quite prevalent, or this attire is quite prevalent, or you can say that corona is prevalent in every corner of the world. So prevalent means it is present at that particular time, at a particular place. Next is prone to illness. We have already discussed the word vulnerable. We know that old people are vulnerable to diseases. That means they get easily affected by diseases. Same is with prone to illness. Prone to illness also means that they get affected by something or some illness easily. Suppose if you are talking about malaria prone areas, it means the people of that area get affected by malaria. That means that area is quite the people of that area are quite suffering from malaria. So malaria prone areas means there people get malaria very soon. Okay, so malaria prone areas, or you can say I have always been prone to illness. It means I always get ill. Next word is epidemic or pandemic. Epidemic, pandemic. What is the difference? Corona is called a pandemic, not epidemic. Why? Because pandemic means when a particular disease has affected a lot of people, innumerable people. Then that is called a pandemic. In epidemic, epidemic is also when a large number of people or animals are suffering from the same disease at the same time. But here the ratio is small. But in pandemic it is more than an epidemic, means when a large section of people are getting affected. Okay, next one, explicit ideas means clear ideas. I think we all love explicit ideas. We don't want to be confused, or you can say I gave you explicit instructions to understand, or clear instructions were given to you for your exam. So you can use explicit ideas or explicit instructions were given to you for the examination. Next word is poignant. Yeah, G is silent here. Poignant means causing sadness or pity. You remember the second wave of corona. Uh, Many poignant memories are associated with that. Yes, which cause sadness or pity. Next word is astronomy. Astronomy means when we are talking about the study of universe, moon, stars, the whole solar system, planets. So that is astronomy. Next word is milestone. We all are waiting for that milestone in our life. That is a very important event. Some of you might be thinking that when I'll go abroad, that will be a milestone of my life. For India, it was winning World Cup in 1983. That was a milestone in the cricket history of India. So remember, a very important event. And yes, everyone will get it soon. Next word is horticulture. Yes, somewhat related to agriculture. The branch of plant agriculture dealing with garden crops, generally fruits, vegetable and ornamental plants. You can say the agriculture related to flowers, fruits and nuts. And the person who does that, that is called horticulturist. Next word is restoration. Restoration means bringing things back to normal. What the activities which are done to bring the things back to normal. For example, when the second wave ended, gradually the things were restored. We can say there was a ban. You can say mask was made compulsory, and people cannot gather at one place. So these activities were done for restoration. That means to bring things back to normal. Arbitrary means when you think something which is not based on plan, or you think it is unfair, unreasoned, it does not make any sense. So arbitrary means sometimes I can say youngsters always feel that rules made by the parents are arbitrary. It means the thing they always tell the parents, you are unfair, this is not done. So arbitrary means that. Next word is archaeologist. Archaeologist means people who study about monuments, things about the past, pottery, jewelry, tools. So the past things, the people, the researchers who research or who do researches about the past things, past monuments, those are called archaeologists. The next one is predators. Predators are all those animals who kill other animals and eat them. You can talk about all the animals like lion, or you can say dog, when they kill other animals to eat those. Next word is discrepancy, a word which we can use in our writing also. A huge discrepancy was seen in the sale of furniture and sale of, uh, you can say, clothes. Huge discrepancy means huge gap or huge difference. So discrepancy, difference, from D you can remember that. Next word is epidemiology. Epidemiology means the scientific study of the spread and control of diseases. Like when the study was done of corona, how it spread and how it can be controlled. So you can call it epidemiology. The study which was done to find out why it spread and how it can be controlled, or any disease. Okay, then it is called epidemiology.
इस वीडियो को लास्ट तक देखने के लिए थैंक यू। अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद आया है तो इसे लाइक और शेयर करें। सब्सक्राइब करना बिल्कुल ना भूलें। अगर आपको कोई डाउट है तो कमेंट सेक्शन में उसे लिखें, हम जल्दी ही उसका रिप्लाई देंगे।